Hello kids, welcome to Kids Vid. Let's explore first aid kit items. This is a blood pressure machine.
This is a blood pressure machine.
This is a stethoscope.
This is a stethoscope.
This is a syringe.
This is a syringe.
This is medical scissors.
This is medical scissors.
This is a medicine bottle.
This is a medicine bottle.
This is a first aid kit.
This is a first aid kit.
This is tweezers.
This is tweezers.
This is a bandage.
This is a bandage.
This is an X-ray.
This is an X-ray.
This is a dental mirror.
This is a dental mirror.
This is a mask.
This is a mask.
This is a cotton roll.
This is a cotton roll.
This is a pair of gloves.
This is a pair of gloves.
This is a doctor bag.
This is a doctor bag.
This is a tablet strip.
This is a tablet strip.
This is an otoscope.
This is an otoscope.
This is an ambulance.
This is an ambulance.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.